Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications, expand them, and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me looks to be on the second page or right over here. Now once you find this toggle, the first time around you will want to hold it, and the reason for this is it will take you to the settings where you can change the hotspot password. Now without going into here, you have basically no way of knowing what the actual password is, so like I said, first time around you basically want to navigate here, and from here you can either use the password that is set by default, but let's be honest, this password looks absolutely atrocious, so I'll remove this one and set my own. Now the password that you will set up needs to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, it doesn't really matter. From there, click on OK, and this saves it. And that's all you really need to change. And everything else in here is set up so your hotspot will work just fine with any device. So use 2.4 gigahertz only. This is the only thing that you might want to change. If you disable this, it will use both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, giving you basically 2 of these. And the reason this is good is because newer devices can utilize 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which will be faster and more stable, while still the devices that cannot can connect to the 2.4 instead, which any kind of device that supposedly can connect to Wi-Fi should support. For probably power saving efficiency, you might want to just use 2.4 instead, but if you're not sure what this setting does, then keeping it off will basically give you best case scenario. I would also recommend keeping the turn off hotspot automatically, so when you forget to turn it off yourself, the device will do it for you when it's not being used for, it looks like 10 minutes right here. And the rest, keep it as it is. Name of the hotspot, I guess you can change that just so it fits whatever you wanted. This is just the name of the Wi-Fi that the hotspot will create. But once you went through all the settings right here, you can close this and you don't have to ever come back here again. And whenever you actually want to use your hotspot, just find the toggle, tap on it, and that's it. It is now running in the background. And after 10 minutes of an activity, it will just turn off automatically, but you can do it yourself. If you want to turn it off before that 10 minutes, you can then tap on it once more, and this will turn it off. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.